In the background, you guys are going to see some clips of me going to a bunch of garage sales trying to source for eBay while I give you a short little channel update. Welcome to another video brought to you by Rejects, a channel dedicated to helping you grow your reselling business. And for those of you guys that have been subscribed to my channel since I started this eBay business, you might notice that my channel name is different. So no huge change to the channel itself, other than the fact that I discovered that the name Beats Media is actually associated with a marketing company, and I didn't want to associate my channel with a brand that already existed. So I rebranded the channel. We are now going to be called Rejects, and I was able to claim the URL youtube.com/rejects, where we pick up rejected items and resell it on eBay. So that's the new channel name that we are going with moving forward. Again, nothing has changed. I'll still be making primarily reselling videos, and we'll go as this never happened. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright guys, it is Friday night, and obviously the lighting is a little different in the eBay space because I actually have the lights on and we're not using natural lighting. So I have a couple orders I'm going to pull, and I wanted to do it tonight because tomorrow morning is Saturday and I'm going to a lot of yard sales to try to source for eBay. So I'm going to package all these up and drop it off at the post office at their 24-hour spot. Pro tip, if your post office has a 24-hour lobby, it's possible that there is a section of your post office where you could drop off some smaller packages. You could just drop it in through the slot and you can ship your items that way. All right, so the first thing we sold is 2 of these coin wrapper packs. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and 2 of these sold for $10.50, and I'm offering free shipping. So these are pretty light, so those will be pretty easy to ship. I'll probably just throw those in a poly bag. Next thing I sold is Need for Speed. I already have this package because I'm currently working on an eBay for beginners guide, and this was the product I use as an example. So I sold this for $12.99, and this was one of the games I got at that garage sale for 50 cents each. So easy profit. Next thing is this Sonic and the Black Knight. I actually sold this on my wife's profile, so I'm not really too sure the exact price, but this was another game that I got for 50 cents. Again, easy profit. Next I sold another game for the Wii, and it was Resident Evil 4. I actually have a box for all my games at this point because I'm starting to acquire a decent amount. Now I can't seem to find, oh, there it is. Resident Evil 4, let me just put this back in. There we go. Resident Evil 4, sold this one for $9.99, I do believe. I can't remember if I offered free shipping for this. Let me just check. Yep, I did offer free shipping for this, so not a huge profit, but was able to sell this relatively fast. I just listed this yesterday, and I got this for 50 cents at the same garage sale. All right, last thing I sold today was this Texas Instrument calculator, and I have 2 of these right now from the one time I shopped at Community Aid, and one of these ended up not working. I can't remember. All right, it was this one. So I have this one listed as for parts because, well, I only paid $1.50 for them, but I want to be able to get at least that money back. So that's why I have them listed on eBay. And obviously I'm marketing them as just for parts. Let's see here. Yep, this one's working. Perfect. Sweet sauce. All right. Sold this for, I do believe, $24.99. I can't remember if I offered free shipping for this one or not. Let me just check real quick. I actually am having them pay for shipping, so $24.99, and I bought this for $1.50. So pretty sweet profit right there. These are all the items that I sold, and time to package them. All right, so I should take the batteries out of these because I put the batteries in there for testing. So I don't want to accidentally ship them. Plus, they weigh down the item a little bit. So try and make it as light as possible. Just going to wrap up the calculator in some bubble wrap. Now, like always, all of my shipping material will be linked in the description below. If you would like to support the channel, feel free to click on one of my Amazon links and buy from Amazon. Now, what I really like about this bubble wrap is every 12 inches it's cut, so it's very easy for me to cut them for smaller packages like this. So just do that. I might as well just do each side like that then. Just like that, we have our calculator. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of newspaper on the bottom of this box. And just like that, we have it within all of the newspaper. Drop a little bit of newspaper on the top as well. Sweet. Next, we're going to package the coin wrappers. Now, I have these larger poly mailers just for the exact purpose of shipping clothes and bigger items such as these coin wrappers. So let's slap them in there. Hopefully it'll fit. A little bit concerned, actually. That'll be a snug fit. It'll be fine. Alright, yeah, perfect. A little bit tight, but that is quite alright with me. And just like that, we have our 2 coin wrappers. And these games, since I made so little profit off of these, I'm just going to reuse some other mailing material that I've already gained. So, let's see here. Wrap it up like so. Just gonna use this, wrap it up like that. After I wrapped up the game, I'm gonna toss it in a poly mailer. And as ridiculous as I packaged some of these items, I have not had a complaint on the packaging. So, hey, something must be working, right? But honestly, like, they're just gonna throw away the wrapping anyway, so I'm not big on getting fancy with the wrapping. As long as it gets there in one piece, then it's a good day. Let's see here, res 4. Last is Sonic. And sometimes I'm willing to resort to even just grocery bags, because grocery bags do the trick. They fluff it as much as you need. So I'll add the grocery bag on one side, flip it over. Add the grocery bag on the other side. And then I just toss it into the poly mailer. Like I said, this is what I do for the items that are selling low, and like I'm not trying to invest in more into it by wasting some of my shipping materials. This way, just to maximize profit here. But, you know, obviously there's people that's going to disagree. Some of you guys might agree with me. But for these lower dollar sales, I'm already losing enough to the eBay fees and such, so try and maximize the profit whatever way I can. And especially as a part-time seller, just trying to make it as worth it as possible. Alright, so in this video, I gave you guys a more in-depth look at how I package my items on eBay. So if you guys enjoyed this deeper dive into the packing process, let me know and I will continue to do it. If you guys are not a huge fan of this video format, feel free to let me know in the comment section and I will go back to the old format. So if you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys later.